Hello my dear student of standard 9. How are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah and staying at your home safely. Today I will discuss on chapter 7 lecture 6. Today I will explain the administrative system of Bangladesh. At first, what do you mean by administration? Administration is the process or activity of running a business, organization, etc. or it is the management of public affairs or government. We know that a smooth administrative system is must for internal peace and development of any state. But before 1971, the provincial administrative system was introduced in Bangladesh and it is also called the USA system or USA administrative system. At that time, that system was not people oriented. After independence, a unitary administrative system was introduced in Bangladesh. Now, the existing administrative system of Bangladesh are: at first, there are two types of administration system of Bangladesh. Number one, central administration and the local administration. In the central administration, there are secretariat, ministry, directorate and divisions are included. In the local administration, there are the divisional administration, the district administration and the Upazila administration are included. Today I will discuss about the central administration. So before that, some important information for you. The government of Bangladesh consists of different ministries and divisions. A ministry is vested with the administration of one or more divisions. The minister is the head of a ministry and a secretary is the main administrative officer in the ministry. Each department or ministry is linked with the divisions or directorates. Directorates means a section of a government department in charge of a particular activity. That means it is in Bengali it is called Odhidaptor. The Director General is the head of the directorate. Under the directorate, there are some full or semi-autonomous organization, boards or corporation included. Now the central administration. At first, what is secretariat? Secretariat is the central office of all ministries is called secretariat. That means different ministries and their divisional offices are collectively called secretariat. A secretariat of parliament holds the central place within the administrative system of Bangladesh. It resembles like a nerve in the administration system. All government decisions are first approved in the secretariat. A minister is appointed with the charge of every ministry in the discretion of Prime Minister. The minister is a political member and head of the ministry. A secretary performs his duties as the chief executive officer or the administrative officer. In Bangladesh, there are 5 types of secretariat present. Number 1, Presidential Secretariat, Public Service Commission Secretariat, Election Commission Secretariat, Jatiyo Sangsad Secretariat and Bangladesh Secretariat. Now, what is ministry? A ministry is the high governmental organization headed by a minister that is meant to manage a specific sector of public administration. A secretary is appointed by the Public Service Commission, gets promoted to that position through his service capability training following a specific hierarchy. The secretary assists the minister in discharging his function. In order to conduct the ministerial function, the minister receives the advice from the secretary in exercise of the power. This is the picture of secretariat. Inside picture of the secretariat, that is picture of Sachivalaya. Now I will show you the rank or organogram of central government, that is the rank of the central administration. At first, in the top of the position there will be minister, then senior secretary, then secretary, then additional secretary, then joint secretary, deputy secretary, senior assistant secretary, and lastly assistant secretary. In Bangladesh, the secretariat is based on bureaucratic system in nature. As per rank tier within the administrative structure, the rank of assistant secretary is the lowest. Okay, assistant secretary is the lowest, and the consecutive upper position are respectively, that is I have explained, that is senior secretary, secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary, deputy secretary, senior assistant secretary, and assistant secretary. And these all, from senior secretary to assistant secretary, they are all recruited by the Public Service Commission, and all are government officials. But minister is not recruited here, because minister is the political figure and minister is elected by the vote of the public. Okay, now all the administrative functions are implemented through these structure levels, and decisions and directives descend, not ascend. No divisional chief may send anything directly to the minister without the advice of the secretary. Any resolution held by the secretariat is dispatched to the department and also to the divisional, district and upazila administration as well. All departments, offices and organizations are held accountable to the secretariat actually in practice. So thank you everyone. Today up to this, you must memorize the rank tier of the secretariat, okay, and the definition of central administration, what is secretary, etc. Okay, you must follow the class properly. If you have any problem, you can send me message. So up to this everyone, goodbye.